Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to cash out Playtime Gcash. So let's start. If you are on your Gcash account, of course you have to be registered there, sign up, and when you do it, you can transfer money from your bank, or also you can cash out the money in convenience stores like 7-Eleven, and also, well, it's security and you can get the money as you want. So it's very easy. When you have play time and you have cash there, you can transfer to your Gcash account, and then you can start withdraw the money there in your convenience store. You can tell to the teller or the seller that you want to cash out the money, and you can only show your ID, and then the process will be successful. So that's just how you can do it, guys. Of course, first you have to have a Gcash account, as I told you before, and then you can start the process with the money that you want to cash out from Playtime. So that's how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.